In this video, I will show you how to add images and shapes to your Excel sheet. First, I will show you how to insert pictures. Click on the Insert tab at the top. There, you can see pictures under the Illustrations section. We have separate sections for tables, illustrations, charts, controls, and other tools. Under Illustrations, you will find both shapes and pictures. Click on Pictures. You will see three options. You can add a picture from your own device, use a stock image, or search the web. For example, if I add a stock image, I click on Stock Images. I will search for Sales. I am going to select this picture and insert it. It may take a few seconds to appear, so let us wait. Here it is. You can drag and drop the picture anywhere on the sheet. To move the picture, click on it, then drag it wherever you want. To resize the picture, click on it, and drag the corner handles to adjust the size. When you click on the image, you can see all the editing options. Pictures have limited editing options, but you can still add alt text. Click the alt text option, add your description and title, and click OK. If you place the picture on top of your data, the data behind it will not be visible. You can change the order of the picture. For example, you can send the picture backward or bring it forward. You can access the same options when you right-click the picture. You also have a crop option. When you click Crop, you will see the crop handles. You can crop from the corners or the sides. For example, I will crop it like this. Now the picture is cropped. These are your picture options. The same options appear when you right-click the image, such as Cut, Copy, Alt Text, Bring to Front, and Send to Back. To delete an image, click on it, then press Backspace or Delete on your keyboard. That is how you delete an image from the sheet. Now let us look at how to add shapes to your sheet. Go to Insert, then click Shapes. You will see many shapes. Choose any shape you want. For example, I will add a rectangle. Click on it, and the rectangle will appear on your sheet. You can format the rectangle using the editing options. You can apply a fill color, change the outline color, and choose a different outline style. For example, if I fill the rectangle with green color, you can see how it changes. You can also type inside the shape. Click on the shape and start typing. That is how you add text to your shape. For example, I will type Sales Report, then press Enter. Your text will appear inside the shape. To edit the shape, click the shape, then click Change Shape. If you change your mind and want a different shape, select the rectangle, click Change Shape, and choose another shape. For example, if I select Rounded Rectangle, the shape will change immediately. You can also change the colors using the fill options. There are many choices. You can even add different effects to your shape. If you want more colors, click More Colors, enter a hex code, and click OK. The same applies to the outline. You can change the thickness, style, and color of the border. If you want to add alt text to your shape, you can enter a title and description, then click OK.